Question number 8. Ram Prakash borrowed rupees 20,000 from a bank at 6% per annum as simple interest. So firstly, we shall find out the simple interest. P equal to 20,000, R equal to 6% per annum, and time equal to 2 years. Simple interest is PRT upon 100. So we shall put the value multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2 upon 100. That will get 6 to the 12. 12 to the 24. This is your simple interest. But now, again it is saying he had borrowed this sum. Sum means the principal is same. P equal to, here we shall put 20,000. But 6% compound interest means the rate है आपको compound interest मिल रही है. Firstly, it is taking as a simple interest. And T equal to time is what extra amount he had got this sum. Time is same. Okay, means the here this input is Fn. Then 20,000 1 plus 6 upon 100 to the power 2. Okay, 100 में 100 and 6 106 upon 100 to the power 2 multiplied by 106 multiplied by 106 upon 100 multiplied by 100. 2 zeros से 2 0 4 0 cut. Then what is remaining? 2 6 ja 12 2 and 2 multiplied by 106. We shall multiply 6 2 ja 12 carry 1 6 9 ja 6 1 7 6 2 ja 12 multiplied by 0 0 0 1 2 ja 2 1 1 ja 1 1 2 ja 2 7 4 2 2. This is our amount. You got amount. Okay. Now we shall find out the simple interest. Simple interest, how you will get? Not simple. We shall find out the compound interest. Compound interest is A minus B. A is 22,472 minus 20,000. 2742. This is your compound interest. So it is asking how much extra paid money. Extra paid money. Extra paid money. Then you will subtract the CI minus SI. Means 2472 minus 2400. That will give rupees 72. Got it? Question number 9, I am explaining. 10 and 11 are same. In question number 10, the rate of interest is 6 complete 1/2. So you will change it like question number first B. Okay. So here P is unknown because it is saying that a sum of money amounts to rupees 9261. This is the amount. In N is equal to is time 3 years and R is equal to 5%. We shall use this formula. We put in the value A, P is unknown, 1 plus R 5 and 3. Okay. Now we shall solve it. 9261 equals to P. 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10 means 20 when the 20 or 1, 21 upon 20 to the power 3. Okay. 9261 is equals to P multiplied by 21 upon 20 multiplied by 21 upon 20 multiplied by 21 upon 20. Okay. Now we shall do the cross multiplication. All 20 will go outside and all 20 will become downside. So the structure will become like this: 9261 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20 upon 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. Okay. 21 4 जा 21 4 जा 84, 21 4 जा 84 and 21 when जा, then 21 when जा 21 21 21 1 for 220 441 and 21 when जा 21. So it is completely divided by 21. So your answer will be 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 and these 3 zeros. Your answer is 6000. This is your answer. Question number 12 I am telling you, and 13 is just like same. Okay. So at what rate means R in unknown, for P equal to 4000 and compound yield means it is CI is given, compound interest at time is 2 years. So firstly the formula is CI is A minus B. We shall find out the amount. So that is CI plus P, that will give you 4410 because we will add the compound interest and the principal. So we shall get the term A equal to 4410. Now we shall use the formula A equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Putting the value A equal to 4410, P equal to 4000, 1 plus R is unknown for 100 and this one. Okay. Now we shall transfer the 4000 to the other side. So it will become 4410 upon 4000. Got it? And here 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2. 10 to 10. 441 upon 400 equals to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2. We shall prepare this term as the power of 2. So we shall write like this: 21 upon 20 to the power 2, 1 plus R upon 100. By comparing, the power will remove. So here we will remain 21 upon 20 is equals to 1 plus R upon 100. We shall transfer 1 to this side. 21 upon 20 minus 1 is equals to R upon 100. 21, so it will give you 21 minus 20 upon 20 equals to R upon 100. R upon 100. Okay. So now here remaining 1 upon 20 is equals to R upon 100. Means R is equal to 100 will go outside, 100 upon 20. 20 by the 20, 25 is 100. R is equal to 5%. This is your final answer. In the question 14 and 15, both are same and they will solve like this. So I am explaining question number 14. In how many years means time is unknown. Rupees 2000, this is principal, and to amount means amount is given 2662 at 10% per annum. So rate is 10%. So we shall use this formula. As you know, learn it very well. Putting the value A equal to 2662 equals to P equal to 2000. 1 plus R is 10 upon 100 to the power n. Okay. Now we shall transfer 2000 to this side. It equals to 1 plus 10 by 10, 10 10 100. So 1 upon 10 to the power 10. Cut it. 2 1 2, 2 3 6, 2 3 6, 2 1 2. And 2 1 2, and these 3 0. So in the next line you will write 1331 upon 1000 is equals to 10 10, 11 upon 10 to the power n. Means we have to convert this term in the form of 11 upon 10. Okay? So you know 10,000 is the 10 ka cube and 1331 is the cube of 11. So you will write like this: 11 upon 10 to the power 3 equals to 11 upon 10 to the power n. Power is same, so they will cancel out. So here it is remaining n equal to 3. Okay, so your question is finished and your exercise also finished. Tomorrow I will explain exercise 9.2.